So we have 2 apples. These are just pink lady apples, and we've cored them, and then I've cut the cores a third off, and I'm going to replace that bottom third of the core, pop it back into the apple to plug the bottom. There we go.
What tape?
So I've got a palm full of raisins, a sprinkling of light brown sugar, soft light brown sugar, I'm just mixing that together, and a little ground cinnamon, and I'm just mixing these together. Then I'm going to push this into our apples, just very gently.
Can I do it?
You can do it.
Well, I am filming as well.
Very good.
I'm doing it at the same time. Is that good?
So if you do that one, and I can do this one. Get the sugar. I've put a sugar in. Put a bit more in yours.
You always have
Top it off. You do look like eyes. Okay, so now that's in, we're going to pop it
into a pan.
into the bottom of my pot. Now, unfortunately, we can't get hold of any tin foil. Normally, I just put them in tin foil and put them on the fire. So we're going to try it this way today, and it will be an experiment. So our fire has died down nicely, and we've just added some more logs to it, and then we're going to pop our grill on top. We've popped our apples on the fire, and we're just going to leave that for a few minutes now. So the apples are ready. They've been on about 8 minutes. They're just nice and slightly browning and soft. Very nice and gooey now. Ready to serve.
It's really